So you need to keep people on your videos because the longer they watch one video, the longer they watch the next video. This grows your channel organically in the algorithm. We're gonna talk with Andrew Can from TubeBuddy about the TubeBuddy Retention Analyzer coming up. Hey, it's Dane Golden from hey.com, and we help businesses, marketers, and brands just like you grow your YouTube channel and your customer community. But what if they stop watching your videos? How are you gonna grow that community? I have with me Andrew Can from TubeBuddy, and he's gonna tell us about TubeBuddy's Retention Analyzer.
I don't know if I can give the same retention analyzer, but what the retention analyzer is helping our community and users do is it's helping you see when people are leaving and dropping off of your YouTube videos. So what that means is YouTube rewards, as you know, long watch time sessions. They want your viewers to watch all of your videos.
Keep watching.
Yes, but if you don't know why people or where people are leaving, that can hurt you. But with TubeBuddy's Retention Analyzer, with the Retention Analyzer, we can show you that maybe at the 10-second you have 90%, but around the minute mark, you have lost over 50% of your users. Now what that means for you is that around the minute mark...
Let me stop you there because I want to know how this is different from audience retention that's been in YouTube forever.
So with audience retention built in with YouTube, all you can see is one video at a time. But with TubeBuddy, we give you your 25 most popular videos and your 25 most recent videos so you can see all of that watch time and where people are leaving in a very easy to read list.
So it brings it together, it organizes it a lot more.
Yes.
Fantastic. Well, thank you. So check out, I'm a TubeBuddy affiliate.
Absolutely.
You can click here, get the TubeBuddy right there, and I think I get a cut of some sort. This is great. We're in cahoots to get you to use TubeBuddy. And you can watch the next video because you watched all the way to the end. The retention has been analyzed and retented. So point this way, please. This is where the video they click on next. We'll see you in the next video.